Hi, Catherine. Okay, not rolling over, but more so what I'm a little concerned if there's some kind of there's an issue within here of like a slight brachial injury. Nobody's going to give you much attention whatsoever. But here's why I'm saying this with your child not rolling over. One of the big warning signs. Sorry, I had a webinar today, so my desk is a little bit messy. What I don't like what your baby is doing as far as, and again, you're not going to find this in the books, but your baby's head movements shouldn't separate this much. Sorry. Ah, okay. Your baby's head movements shouldn't separate this much from the system without, again, what your baby should be doing at 4 months is like this, where they're rolling over and they're reaching, and that's why rolling over happens, right? That they do that. But what's going on is you're getting the look here. My concern is within right behind the shoulder blades that somehow is not being activated in the proper buoyancy. And so you'll see that in the newborn movement assessment where it's going to be really hard within here to get the rotational responses. And that's where you have to go after first. Tummy time has to be more solid, but I would do that right now. I would jump into the rolling over course, newborn movement assessment, and then the rolling over course. Honestly, your best course of action is the Worried Parent Starter Kit, and you're going to go in because all my courses are bundled into it, and then you get all of that. But right now, this is really where you need to get after. I'm not concerned that it's torticollis, but I'm more concerned that, again, when the child was pulled out from you, or whether it's a C-section this way or here, right through here, it was just a bit too much tension. And again, I'm just guessing. I have not worked with your child, but those are some of the causes that it can happen. But really, you're right to be calling in because, again, baby's head should just not be able to do that. That's just not right. It's always a pubic, the eyes, the nose, and so forth stay with the pubic bone, and that's how you roll over and go from there. I hope that helps, but and also, too, I would like to see some follow-up videos in around 2 weeks' time. I want concentration on this. I want about an hour to 2 hours a day. I want to get these movements starting to go because right now you should be going into grabbing in feet, and when that area is immobile, it's going to be really difficult to bring the feet up because, again, all this has to curve and go into place where they're starting to work on the pump on that, and I don't want your child to be bypassed. Thank you.